This year's show is our most spectacular yet, featuring over 1,500 films.
30 seconds to take off. We're dancing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, take off.
And if that wasn't enough, we're attempting not just one, but 2 Guinness World Record titles with this show. Prepare for an unforgettable evening as we present our version of the classic Christmas tale, The Nutcracker. Relax and enjoy the show.
On a serene and starlit Christmas Eve, a grand window framed in frost and snowflakes reveals a scene of warmth and joy. Inside, a majestic Christmas tree stands tall, its branches adorned with twinkling lights, shimmering tinsel and ornaments that tell tales of yesteryears. Underneath the tree, a sea of presents, lovingly wrapped in paper of reds, silvers, and golds, beckons with secrets yet to be unveiled. This festive beacon invites guests inside to the heartwarming embrace of Christmas festivities. Below the decorated tree, a young Clara eagerly anticipates the night's enchantment. Her beloved godfather, a toy maker known for his wondrous creations, gifts Clara a nutcracker. This gallant figure, with its stern yet kind face, immediately captures Clara's heart, becoming her most cherished treasure. As the clock strikes midnight, something extraordinary began to happen. The room, bathed in the soft glow of the Christmas tree lights, seemed to stretch and grow. All of a sudden, the Nutcracker stood up. Toy soldiers, once motionless, marched in place. Dolls in frilly dresses twirled gracefully, their faces alive with expression. It was as if the room had become a stage for a grand performance, with every toy playing its part. The toy horses neighed and pranced. Even the tiny ballerina atop the music box spun freely. Her beloved Nutcracker, now larger and more regal than ever, took command of the toy soldiers, because they know the menacing Mouse King has emerged. The Mouse King seeks to dominate this enchanted realm, but the Nutcracker, protector of this magical night, is determined to thwart the Mouse King's dark ambitions and preserve the wonder of Christmas. And with that, the battle between the Nutcracker and the Mouse King has begun. The Nutcracker struggles against the Mouse King's power, but Clara intervenes. With a daring throw of her shoe, she strikes the Mouse King, turning the tide of the battle. The fallen king retreats, and the Nutcracker, thanks to Clara's bravery, stands victorious. As the room settles, a new magic unfolds. The Nutcracker transforms, revealing himself as a handsome prince. He takes Clara's hand, and together they journey to the land of sweets, which is a realm where confectionery dreams come to life. Rivers of chocolate flow and candy trees sparkle under a sugar-dusted sky. This whimsical kingdom, ruled by the graceful Sugar Plum Fairy, is a dance-filled paradise where every sweet treat celebrates the joy and magic of the season. The Sugar Plum Fairy steps gracefully into the spotlight. She starts her dance to the enchanting melody, moving with a fluid elegance that captivates all. But the night still holds one last marvel. Down the chimney, with a jolly chuckle, arrives Santa Claus. Ho, 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 ho!
Christmas!
As the sun rises on Christmas morning, Clara sits by the tree, the Nutcracker in her arms. She wonders if it was all a dream, a beautiful, vivid dream. But in her heart, the dances, the battles, and the laughter remain vivid and real. She knows that the magic of Christmas, with its wonders and joys, will forever live in her heart. And that feeling is what Christmas is all about.
Hello everyone, my name is Michael Emprick from Guinness World Records in New York City. Today we had 2 Guinness World Records attempts. These were new records. So the first attempt was largest aerial display of a fictional character. We also did a record attempt for largest aerial image. Today, I have reviewed the evidence, monitored the show and the timings, and can announce that Sky Elements had 1,499 drones. It's 2 new Guinness World Records titles.